Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a 4-wall accordion present. Now it'd be really helpful if you've already done an accordion present before, and obviously knowing an accordion as well to go with that would be really useful. Links to those in the description below. But jumping straight in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So let's break it down. It starts off right to right. Obviously starting in an accordion already would be good, but we can still do it from just one hand. So we go semicircle and back, off in the left hand. We're drawing the lady forwards into the present, so the left goes over the lady holding its position, so try not to bring the lady forwards whilst we draw the lady forwards with the other hand to get the present. From this position we're going to take the left hand up, pull with the right, so we're turning the lady, and actually this time it feels like the guy is doing the present and the lady's behind the guy. So guys are looking back down the direction they were right at the start, so you're trying to go for full stretch. We're going to take the right hand up, guys turn left, pull the left down to the left, take the right over the lady and give a present with the lady the opposite direction to the last time she was at the front. Then we raise the left, turning the lady to the right, guys turning to the left underneath that left hand to do a present the opposite way to the way they did the last time, and then it's just let go with the left hand, fellas, return the lady, turn it to face the lady and step back. So let's do that from the other side and talk numbers. So we go semicircle back and offer 1, draw the lady into the present, 2, turning 3, present the guy, 4, turning 5, present the lady, 6, turning 7, present the guy, 8, and then it's just return the lady 1 and back 2. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, 4-wall accordion present. We go a back, ladies, turn, guys, turn, ladies, turn, guys, return and back, and that's it. That's the whole thing. Hope you enjoy that. Quite a good one if you're trying to get some attention in a competition, because it has a tendency to draw the eye. Do like, subscribe and press the notification bell so you know every time a new video comes out. Any questions or comments, do pop them in the comment section below and we will do our best to answer anything that people ask. And there's a music recommendation comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video, and something nice to practice to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.